Okay guys, so into this video we are going to do a review of our study guide. Okay, so basically what you need to know guys about our guide is that all of them, they are similar. Okay, in other words, I'm saying that the structure that you can see in accounting from grade 10, which means that is the same as grade 11 and 12. The different is only the chapter. Okay, all of them from economics, business, and those other subject. Okay, so now let's start. So we have a cover page which is written Accounting Solution SA Grade 10 Study Guide. So our guide, guys, it contain questions and solution. In other words, these are the questions that are going to train you how to answer exam question, how to answer a test question. Okay, so in other words, it's more like answer series where we have a different techniques of how you are going to deal with your exam. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is the second page is about, and after that we're gonna go to the other important one, which is called a table of content. Okay, under table of content you can see guys, we have a topic for term 1. You can see we have a almost 5 topics for term 1. Okay, um, if you check, we have 5 topics, which is going to be from page 4 up to page 35. So basically these are the questions and answer book and solution. Okay, and we also have test yourself, which is test preparation for March. So let's start. You can see here we have for term 2, for term 3, and for term 4. All of them, they are here. So now let's check. These are the questions that are from topic number 1. Okay, so which means that you are going to get a question which is similar like this one, where you are matching what? A gap principle. Okay, you can see here there is a question. Uh, let's go to the other one, which is a bit similar with this one, but in another terms. Okay, so you can see here, these are the questions that you are going to get. And let's scroll down so that you can see how it look like. Okay, so these are the answers from those questions that you saw. Okay, then after that, let me go to another topic. Maybe we have accounting equation here. You can see accounting equation, and another one here. And this is a answer book that you're going to use to test yourself. And after that, if you scroll down, you're gonna find a solution just like that. So the whole guide is contain everything like this. Okay, so which means that here guys, we don't put a just a question, we put a question that are going to help you to answer what? An exam. Okay, uh let me check the other one for, okay, for grade 11 accounting. But accounting guys, all of them, they are very similar. You can see here bank reconciliation, creditors reconciliation, fixed assets, and so on and so on. As you can see here, bank reconciliation question, and after that you're gonna have answer book, and after that you're gonna have what? A solution, just like that. All of them, they're the same. Now let me show you for business studies. Okay, so guys, remember, a study guide is only a soft copy. We don't have a hard copy. The one that people came to me and asked, how are you going to deliver it? Guys, a hard copy cannot be 100 rand. You can see the study guide for business studies here, 493 pages. Imagine if I'm printing 493 pages. How much am I going to spend? And how much am I going to sell it to you? And how much am I going to pay to deliver it to you? You see, that is going to be more expensive. So guys, now we are living in a world where everything is possible by doing it online. That's why we are even conducting online classes and they are doing very well. It's because everything is changing. So we need to adapt. Okay, so 100 rand is very fair per study guide is not that much, 100 rand. Okay, so let's stick to a soft copy so that everyone can be able to afford it. Okay, so let's take a business study guide now. We have a cover page, and then we have table of content like those other one. You can see here everything is clear, guys. Chapter for term 1, term 2, and term 3, and term 4, just like that. Okay, check it here. Chapter 1, you know that for business studies for grade 12, if you are in grade 12, is legislation. Okay, so we have tried our best to simplify it so that even when you read it, guys, it's going to be simple for you. You can see here we are talking about a Skill Development Act, the purpose of Skills Development Act. Number one, to develop the skill of people in South Africa in order to improve their productivity, invest in education and training. You can see all this point, guys. They are very simple. Okay, they've been simplified. It took almost a year, guys, to produce this guide. Almost a year that we've been spending last year to make sure that the study guide is perfect. Okay, you can see the point, guys. They are most simplified. The reason why this guide is very long, guys, is because we have combined many essays, so that you guys, you can be able to practice.